between financial accounting and cost accounting. So financial accounting क्या है? जो हम लोग स्टेटमेंट बनाते हैं हर क्वेश्चन में अब तक बनाते आए थे. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, P&L अकाउंट, बैलेंस शीट. So nature, financial accounting record, reports and analyze financial transaction record करता है. Cost accounting क्या करता है? Record, report, analyze ही करता है, but according to cost centers, not for whole concern. Users, who uses financial information? Internal as well as external users. Internal users, management, employees. External users, financial institutions, banks, creditors, investors, etc. As well as government. Then cost accounting. Cost accounting is used by the management only for decision making. So users of financial users of cost accounting are internal only. After that system, it uses the double entry system for recording financial data. For every debit we have credit, right? So here we are following double entry system. In case of cost accounting, we do not use double entry system for collecting data. After that, nature of cost. In financial accounting, we record only historical cost. That is past data. In case of cost accounting, it discloses current data as well as future estimates. That is, we are using present data, that is current data, historical data as well as future estimates. After that, fifth one, period. Financial accounting is for specific period, that is a financial year, that or 12 months. Here exceptions are if we are starting a business in that that is not on 1st April, and if we are closing down our business and that is not on 31st March. In that case only period will be lesser than 12 months, right? Here cost accounting. Cost accounting concentrates on cost centers, not on a period. If we are having a contract which is for 2 months, in that case we will go according to cost centers, not according to the period, right? After that, reports. Here financial accounting results are shown in financial statement. हम लोग जो भी financial information collect करते हैं वो हम लोग financial statement में दिखाते हैं. Cost accounting reports and results are shown in cost sheet, then costing P&L account, reports, contract account, process account. These are according to cost centers. After that, use. Financial accounting cannot be used for managerial decisions. Here cost accounting is used for making decisions. What kind of decision? Pricing, how we are going to price the product. After that, product mix. After that, quantity to be produced, what quantity is required to be produced by the concern, how much services the concern should provide. Those decisions are taken with the help of cost accounting. After that, focus. So financial accounting focuses on proper recording of transaction. अब तक हम लोग ने जो पढ़ा था 11th standard से, focus कहाँ पे था? हम लोग का balance sheet match हो जाए, right? So that is proper recording of transaction. But in cost accounting, we focus on cost reduction, cost control, and decision making, right?